Hello everyone, welcome back to Talent Battle, and today we are back with yet another amazing video on a new hiring opportunity by Turing. This opportunity is of Python plus full stack JavaScript developer. So as you can see on my screen, this is the opportunity, and in this video we will check out which batches are eligible for this and what is their hiring criteria and how the hiring process is going to be. So watch the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe to our YouTube channel because on daily basis we are coming up with latest opportunities for 2025, 2026 and even the previous batches. So do subscribe and press the bell icon for all the latest notifications. So let's jump into the video. As you can see on my screen, the opportunity is there. This is Python plus full stack developer. So what this opportunity is all about? So we are actively seeking talented developers. So as you can see, just let me set the magnification for you. Yeah. So we are actively seeking talented developers in proficient in Python and JavaScript, TypeScript to join our ambitious team dedicated to pushing the frontiers of AI technology. This opportunity is tailored for professionals who thrive on developing innovative solutions and aspire to be at the forefront of AI advancements. So, as you can see, it is strictly based on Python and JavaScript. It means you must have interest with machine learning, artificial intelligence, and let us check the required skills as well. So, here are the required skills: write readable, reusable, and maintainable code, practice in code reviews to ensure the standards for code quality are met, demonstrate your proficiency with your Python and JavaScript while covering all bases, provide clear, clean, well organized, correct, and clarity annotated, clarifiable code in and responses in the responses. So it means you must be having a good hand with Python coding. You must write and reuse your codes, and you must have the ability to maintain the already made code. Now, here is the eligibility, that is bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, computer science, or equivalent experience. It means you must be having a bachelor's degree. It means this opportunity is for 2024 and 2025 batch. Demonstrate experience with developing web apps using modular development and scalable architectures, as well as a strong focus on code readability and security stability, that is, testing. Proficiency with syntax and conventions of Python and JavaScript. Extensive experience working with JavaScript and TypeScript and Python. It means if you have any experience, now for 2025 batch, experience can be in the form of internships, experience can be in the form of projects. You have to showcase in your resume. It means your resume should meet all these things. You must maintain your resume according to these skills, which are required skills. Okay, please take it very clearly whenever you're applying to off-campus opportunities. Why we are reading the whole paragraph here in this video? This is not just a passage of time. This is because you must remember how to alter your resume, and you must mention all these details in your resume. Then only your resume will get shortlisted. Because talking about the off-campus opportunities, the first thing is all the opportunities are with first come first serve basis. Second thing is there is an AI prompter who is reading your resumes, who is shortlisting your resumes through ATS. So resume must be ATS friendly. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and keep all the required skills in your resume. Then only your resume will get shortlisted. Because most of the students come to us and say my resume is not getting shortlisted. So this is the main reason. And one more thing, if you want the talent battle team should check your resume, do one thing, just email us your resume with the subject like resume verification, and one of our mentor will get in touch with you. And for more details to this, you can reach out to us through social media handles or comment down below on this video. Our mentors will be happy to help you out. Moving ahead, next is proficiency with the syntax and conventions of Python. Next is solid understanding of JavaScript, ES6, or and either Node.js or NestJS and React or Angular. Nice to have some prior software quality assurance, test planning experience, and test-driven development Excellent spoken and written communication skills are required. Mandatory knowledge of Docker is required. Nice to have some LLM experience in with prompting in Chat GPT and other limbs. So if you have worked anything related to that, if you have done any internships related to that, do mention. These are nice to have. It means these are some preferred skills, not the required skills, right? Next, talking about the offer. This is a contract based offer. This is a contract based position. Duration of the contract and committed hours are flexible. It means as per you will be getting hired, then only they will be shortlisting you and checking your contract and making your contract and deciding the committed hours for you. Okay, so please be sure with this thing. Next, what is this LLM trainer job? So you can just watch here, there's a small video for you. Next, what is the interview process? So two internal interviews, one for 60-minute technical plus 30 to 45-minute technical fit, and optionally there can be a 10 to 20 cultural and offeral conditions discussions. It means you can take it as one being the technical interview, both will be the technical interview. There can be one optional interview that can be as your HR round, where they will be sharing the offer and sharing the conditions with you, right? So that's all. This was the opportunity. Company name is Turing. Always before going to for the interview, always before sitting for any interview, just check the company details as well, because they will ask you why Turing only, okay, or why any other company only. So what you know about Turing, you have to mention there. So if you have no knowledge, then your interview is going to spoil up, even if you have good technical skills. So do check for the company, do check for the role which you are applying for. Each and everything you must take care of, right? And let me tell you one thing more about Talent Battle. At Talent Battle, we are preparing thousands of students for their upcoming placements and other opportunities by practicing coding, by practicing aptitude. How you can do this? Let me just show you that as well. So once you will be clicking on, there are links given in the description box. Just click on that link, you will be landed to Talent Battle's official website. As you can see on my screen, you have to go to the Talent Battle's official website here. As you click on Talent Battle's official website, you have to click on Start Preparation. And once you clicked on Start Preparation, you can find a complete placement preparation masterclass where we are preparing thousands of students for more than 30 big MNCs. TCS specific training is going to start, and it is already started. It is there. Students are preparing for TCS. If you are also applied for TCS, this is a very good chance, because TCS has also rolled out its admit card, and first test is going to be conducted on 15th of March. That is today, right? So next batches, if you are in the forward batches, you can still join the course and take this crash course and prepare for TCS. Not only for TCS, you can also prepare for more other companies. We will learn quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal ability, DSA in all the four languages, C, C++, Java, Python, where our extreme mentors are going to teach you from basics to advanced, technical and HR interview with mock interviews. Now, this point is very often, like this point is very clear. I want to make it very clear, because why I landed to this page, not only for advertisement, but as you can see, here are two interviews, right, for this role. So if you are a student of Talent Battle, you can request our mentors to take a mock interview before you actually sit for your interview, where we are going to check out either you are fit for the interview or not. Okay, so this is a very good chance. And prices are very simple. It starts from rupees 1110. Even if you apply my coupon code, that is YT offer, you will get a huge discount on this thing. Like your price will be just 999, right? So the code is also given in the description box. That is YT offer. So go check that out as well. So now how to sign up for this particular job role? So you have to create an account. It's a very simple thing. Let me just continue with Google. Let me just check out. So you have to go to, like, you have to just sign up. Once you sign up, I am checking with the Google account. So as you sign up with your email ID, you can check it. It's a completely like see, it's like AI is inbuilt in their website as well. You have to just drag in your resume in the first step. Okay, so I can also skip the step, continue without resume to show you the what is next, right? So after that is your basic information, your first name, last name, your country of residence, city of residence, your phone number. Okay, next, talking of, it can also be changed because as per the country it changes. Next is your educational details. You have to add your university, school name, country name, degree, and field of study, your start date and end date. Okay, next is skills and languages. You have to write if you have a full-time experience, you can fill yes. Next is preferred role, which role you're finding. You can just check any role if from that. But this opportunity is especially for a JavaScript and React. So just find out the role and click that. Okay. Next is your languages, which languages you speak. You can just mention those languages and their proficiency. And at last, there will be a profile summary where each and everything you're going to check and you are going to submit your profile. As soon as you click on submit profile, you are going to receive an email. Even when you sign up for this thing, you also receive an email. Okay, so as I signed up, I just got an email from Turing, like you have successfully signed up for this particular job. And after putting all the information, you are also going to receive an email. So please fill your resume, all the details very nicely so that your resume gets shortlisted. And we wish you all the very best for this role and for all the upcoming roles. And if you want to have a one-on-one communication with one of our mentors, that is completely free of cost, where you can discuss all your queries which you have in your mind related to placements, placement preparation, opportunities, and each and everything. That's completely free of cost. And you can just contact us through our social media handles. All the valuable links have been provided in the description box. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.